everyone, my name is Isaac. I'm a Christian drummer and I've been playing drums since I was 7 years old. I've been playing and serving as part of the band Nueva Vida Music at Nueva Vida Church, Madrid for the past 2 years. I use Collision 5-inch drumsticks because they provide more power and volume when I play. One of the things I love most about Collision is their commitment to supporting independent and emerging artists, and of course the quality of their drumsticks, which are strong and long-lasting. So today I'm going to play What a Beautiful Name by Hillsong. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks.